Hello and welcome everyone to Gold Asset of the Day for the 14th of September 2022, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. So this week we have seen an explosive move on silver, the biggest one-day move since February of 2021, the largest surge to the upside in over a year and a half, a 10% breakout so far in the month of September. Also alongside that, we have seen platinum prices surge back above $900 per ounce, over 1,000-point move in the last week and a half, as we saw commercials flip into net long on both platinum and silver just over a week ago, as we highlighted to you massive opportunities to capitalize. Now, with our clients at the Gold and Silver Club, we've taken the opportunity at the start of the week here to bank 800 points on one of our platinum positions, 400 points on our second position, and also 210 points on silver. That alongside over 1,200 points that we banked last week with our clients at the Gold and Silver Club. So we're essentially, over the last week and a half, sitting on approximately 2,500 points profit that we've locked in with our clients at the Gold and Silver Club. All opportunities that we've been highlighting with you to capitalize on the current commodity super cycle, especially on the metals. Now, we have gold at the moment, which has retested $1,700 per ounce, following on from Tuesday's CPI data. We had a classic move at the beginning of the week when China was on a public holiday. We had an accelerated move to the upside on gold, breaking out to $1,734 per ounce. Silver prices, of course, they had a tremendous surge as well, up over 5% on Monday. And of course, we saw platinum prices, they also broke out to $914 per ounce. Again, on a public holiday. And what we've seen as we moved into CPI data, post-public holiday, usual sell-off to the downside here, as we see traders, they move into risk off in the lead up to a major news item. The CPI data came out hotter than expected. It shot up the dollar, over 200-point breakout. Treasury yields, they surged. And this has caused also an immense sell-off on stock markets, over a 4% move to the downside on the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq. Of course, the dollar slingshotting back towards 20-year highs. The euro US dollar lost its peg yet again with the dollar, so it's breaking back below parity with the dollar index, and this is setting up really nicely now as we get towards the end of the week for quad witching. And as we move into next week, we've also had a shift in the Bank of England interest rate decision that will then be scheduled for the following week on Thursday. And of course, we have a public holiday on Monday due to the passing away of the Queen. So let me say that again. Next week into Monday's session, we have a public holiday in the United Kingdom, and this Thursday's Bank of England interest decision has been delayed by 1 week, which sets up for explosive moves going into next week, because we also have the FOMC statement next week as well. On Wednesday, we're following on from the CPI data. The Fed are expected to be even more aggressive with a 100 basis point rate hike as we go into the FOMC statement next week. And of course, at the end of this week, we also have quad witching, which is notorious for causing pressure to the downside on stock markets. This is where you could see further acceleration on the dollar, further acceleration on treasury yields, and provide some fantastic opportunities to yet again sniper in nice and low on many commodities that are already starting to see a dip. Palladium prices have broken down almost 2,000 points after Tuesday's CPI data. Gold, after hitting 1730, it dipped back down towards the 1700 level, yet again providing more opportunities. I do like gold for lower prices here. Certainly if we get a retest back down towards that 1680 level, very much of interest to sniper in and look at further opportunities if we do get a breakdown towards those levels. We identified with you previously massive opportunities on silver to be buying it, sub $18 per ounce, down towards the 1750 handle. Subsequently, we have had a slingshot move higher, breaking out just below $20 per ounce at the beginning of the week. Again, the biggest one-day move higher in a year and a half. So this environment right now is providing you with back-to-back trading opportunities. Then as we get towards the end of the month, we're likely to see also end of quarter profit takings. There's lots of opportunities for you to take advantage of at the moment with this market volatility. As we discussed with you previously, commodities, they're moving easily 1,000 points per week, giving you multiple opportunities to come in and out of the market. Again, we've banked now over 2,500 points profit just in the last couple of weeks with our clients at the Gold and Silver Club. All opportunities we continue to discuss with you, especially the most recent opportunities where commercials flip net long into platinum and silver. Following on from that report where we gave you that information, we've subsequently seen silver again have a slingshot move. It's now up just under 10% for the month of September. And of course, platinum prices as well, they're now up approximately 9% for this month. Huge opportunities. And that's all just been within the last couple of weeks here for those metals. So again, if you're not making money at the moment in these markets, you absolutely should be. This comes down to using data, statistics, market intelligence, really understanding the narratives in the market, ditching any outdated technical analysis or gimmicky technical indicators. That will just mean you get chopped up all the time. It will be death by a thousand cuts. You'll end up missing out on some huge opportunities to capitalize in these markets at the moment. You absolutely should be capitalizing as we continue to see massive volatility in the commodity markets. So with that, if you would like to learn the professional research-driven approach to the market, where you will be learning the narratives, the fundamentals, the macroeconomics, further align that with the data, the statistics, market intelligence, understanding the key areas of liquidity, the intermarket correlations, the ratios, the capital flows in the market, and further aligning that as well with how the hedge funds, money managers, banks, institutions and commercials are positioned in the market, that will help you massively to get an edge. So with that, if you would like to join our community of successful traders, learn the research-driven approach to the market, and join our professional mentorship program, there is an opportunity for you to do so. Just make sure you click in the link below today's report in order to join our professional mentorship program.